So it's a gent and two ladies. And I do believe the ladies have a bit of extra body here.
My mother would always lilt up in the old kitchen, big long floor, a big long cement floor, and she would put us dancing up and down the floor at that time. It didn't matter what kind of dancing it was. We done social dancing, we done mostly ceilidh dancing in our early days, and then we turned to set dancing and two-hand dances about maybe 30 years ago.
I've been teaching a workshop with Connie McKelvie from Donegal, and he's been teaching two-hand dances from Donegal, and I've been teaching very similar dances that are found in remote areas of Scotland, of just couple dances that go round the room. A lot of the dances that might be found here, I think, originated in Scotland. Not all of them by any means, but actually the dances that they do, particularly in Donegal, they are not done in Scotland anymore at all, so the Donegal tradition might be even older